Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is an Igbo challenge between me and her. Me and this girl here, she's claiming that she can speak Igbo very well.
No.
You can speak Igbo very well.
Ah.
So we are going to challenge ourselves. Although I'll be saying it in English and she'll be translating it. Let me know how she's good with her Igbo speaking. She's an Igbo girl, of course. So
Typical one.
say hi to my
Hi
viewers.
guys, hi.
Gini ba aha gị?
Afam Buchine.
Okay, so just click the subscribe button to join the community and also share this video, share this Igbo challenge, okay? So let's begin. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
That is one kejide. So guys, I'm a made in Kwadobe too. I know you're ready too. Okay, so let's start. I speak Igbo challenge. Why should I say I'm hungry when I can say
Ago na agum?
I speak Igbo challenge. Why should I say I want to shit when I can say
Achomiyonshe?
I speak Igbo challenge. Why should I say I'm thirsty when I can say
Mmiri na agum?
I speak Igbo challenge. Why should I say I want to sleep when I can say
Ora na atumo?
If you see ihi ụra.
Achomi ora?
Now yeah, but I want to sleep. Ihi ụra. So but ụra na atum or ụra na agum is sleep dey hungry me. Sleep dey worry me.
Sleep dey hungry. Hungry.
So I speak Igbo challenge. Why should I say this food is sweet when I can say
Nri a na-atọ ụtọ.
Nri a dị ụtọ. Nri a dị ụtọ. This food is sweet. I speak Igbo challenge. Why should I say you are beautiful when I can say
Ị mara mma?
I speak Igbo challenge. Why should I say laugh for me when I can say
Chịara m ọchị?
I speak Igbo challenge. So why should I say if I slap you when I can say
Magola?
Magola? I speak Igbo challenge. Why should I say you are fat when I can say
Ivuru
or ibuli ibu, depending on your dialect. So ivuru ivu or ibuli ibu. So I speak Igbo challenge. Why should I say why are you looking at me when I can say
Ka ị na-ekiriri m?
I speak Igbo challenge. Why should I say sit down when I can say
Tupulu anyị?
yes, tupuru ana or nọrọ ọdụ? Nọrọ ọdụ. I speak Igbo challenge. Why should I say stand up when I can say
Binta ọtọ?
or kwụrụ ọtọ? Bilite ọtọ or kwụrụ ọtọ? Depending on your dialect, you know. I speak Igbo challenge. Why should I say remember for me now? How do you want me? I speak Igbo challenge. Why should I say your hair has grown?
Ishige Togo.
I speak Igbo challenge. Why should I say your tooth is clean when I can say
Ize gị dị ọcha?
I speak Igbo challenge. Why should I say have you taken your bath when I can say
Ịsagokwa arụ?
I speak Igbo challenge. Why should I say come and eat when I can say
Bịa rie nri.
she's proving to be a typical Igbo lady like she claimed though. I can see. Okay, so guys, I hope you learned one or two from this particular video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also share this video. Abi?
Share the video.
What is share in Igbo language? Kesa. You see? Typical Igbo girl.
Confuse me.
Nke a gbagwojuru gị anya.
Ejila m ya as question.
Okay, so guys, this Igbo is very sweet though. Anyways, I will see you in my next video, Abby.
Yes.
We are going to see them in our next video.
Yes.
So, Ngwan, say bye to them.
Bye.
Bye. Okay, Ngwan, kemesiano.